It's like taking your hair to a spa. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is ALIcia if you're new here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a wash day using one of my absolute favorite hair care brands. And that brand, as some of you may know, is ToNaturAli. If you see my previous video, I did a sleek hair puff with and without Marley hair, and you know, I haven't shampooed or washed my hair in, I want to say, at least 3 weeks, and I just have so many different products on my hair, and I just feel like I've been doing too much to my hair lately. I feel like I've been doing more than usual to my hair, and I just feel like it's just stressed out and just putting too much tension and just manipulating it too much, and I just need a break. And I don't know, eventually I need to get a protective hairstyle in or something, and I definitely need to trim my hair. So it's a lot going on. My hair doesn't feel good. Nothing really feels good right now. Like, I even have a headache, and I just feel like it's just time for me to do something to this hair, okay? It's just time. I need to cleanse it and get all this blah. So I'm going to first start by using ToNaturAli's ACV clarifying hair scalp poo, and I've used this before. So really going to just cleanse off, like strip all that gunk off your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair first, and I'm actually going to double shampoo my hair. So I'll show y'all the next product after I finish with this one. Alright, just finished with the first rinse. My hair doesn't feel super stripped, but it does feel clean. So I'm going to use one of my favorite products from their brand. Now I'm going to do my second shampoo. Usually I would go for their Sprout Rice Vitamin Butta Shampoo. Oh my goodness, this stuff, like all their Butta shampoos are so bomb, y'all. If I were to recommend any product to try, like, you definitely have to try one of their Butta shampoos. I really like their rice water one. This one works great too. This is their shea-ayurvedic Butta Shampoo. And I'm actually going to use this because of the Ayurvedic ingredients in this one. It has brahmi, amla, shikakai, and Bringraj. Sorry. So yeah, I wanted to apply this to my hair, and y'all, the lather, the slip, the everything of this product is amazing. I absolutely love this. It just makes your hair feel so good. It's going to make your wash day easier because of the slip that it gives. And it has a lot of great ingredients in here. Like some of the ones that I just mentioned is shea butter, aloe juice, ashwagandha, avocado oil, and of course the benhydramonium methyl sulfate, which is a very light and not harsh on the hair, just really gives your hair slip. Olive oil. Yeah, it just has a lot of moisturizing and great ingredients, and it softens your hair too, y'all. It's like taking your hair to a spa or to get your hair a massage or something. It relaxes it and makes it feel good. They say that after using this, you probably wouldn't even need to use a conditioner because your hair will feel that good. But because I haven't deep conditioned in a while, I'm definitely going to use one. Ooh. Wonderful! Wonderful! So, just finished rinsing it out. My hair still feels nice. So, what I'm going with, let me dry my face. So, what I'm going, I got water in my nose. Alright, so I'm going to deep condition. First of all, I want to mention to y'all that I haven't tried one deep conditioner from Botanicals that I didn't like. Like, all their conditioners are bomb. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. This is their Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair. It has biotin, folic acid, and mega greens. So let's see, it's botanically infused with horsetail, rosemary, and sage, biotin, spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, oatgrass, and a bunch of other great ingredients, y'all. Okay, I chose this deep conditioner because I feel like I've just been putting a lot of stress on my hair strands and I just want to strengthen my hair. I feel like my hair has kind of been breaking some too because I've been doing too much to my hair, and I really want my hair to grow. Like, I want to retain length as well, so that's another reason why, because this does have biotin in it. Oh, it has a very light, refreshing smell. I like it. It's like a clean sort of scent. I don't know how to describe it. Also, their deep conditioners can be left in overnight. I haven't yet tried that with any of their deep conditioners, but just thought I'd let y'all know. Okay, so this is my Glow by Day conditioning cap or heat cap, and I like this because it's very, very convenient. So if you're interested in getting this, then you can use my link down below. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh, my hair feels good. Good. Oh, wow. Feels good. Alright, y'all, so next I'm going to apply their Marula-Muru Moisture Guru. And for those of you who really have a hard time with getting your hair moisturized, I would recommend this. This works really, really well. It will soften your hair. Of course, it's going to give your hair moisture. And I just like this product, and this is how it looks inside. And look, this is how my hair looks after rinsing out the deep conditioner. Feels soft and has a nice shine to it, natural shine to it. So I'm just gonna run this through my hair. Yeah, this smells like cocoa butter. It does have like cocoa butter in it too. It's like a chocolatey smell. Yeah, look at that. Alright, and I'm going to apply their Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil. And this has like organic herbs and like vitamins, botanicals, and it's very potent, so a little bit of this goes a long way. I tend to be heavy-handed with the oils, but I want to oil my scalp with this and apply this to my hair as well. Lately, I've actually for quite some time, I haven't really been oiling my scalp like I used to. I used to oil my scalp pretty often, y'all. I noticed that my hair is just so much better and it behaves better, and of course growth, when I apply oil to my scalp, but I haven't been doing that lately, so I want to get back into that. So I'm going to use this oil because it has a lot of ingredients that's great for hair growth. I really should have applied this after the styler, but it'll be fine. So my favorite styler, y'all, from them, I've used this in one of my older videos, and yeah, check that out. The results were great. This is their Sprung Coil Boosting Styling Jelly. I tend to recommend this to anyone who has never tried botanicals. Like, it's one of my favorite stylers. And yeah, it's like a light jelly, and it's one of the few gel-like products that do not flake on my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna get all close and personal, and I'm gonna rake this through. Now again, you're not gonna get a firm hold with this product. It's gonna be a light hold. Alright, I'm gonna put chunky twists in my hair. Really this wash day was just about clarifying, really just treating my hair. I'm not really trying to go for a styled, like defined twist style or anything. I'm just gonna put my hair in chunky twists. But before I do that, I'm gonna apply some more of their oil to help in sealing in the moisture. I like the smell of this oil too, y'all. It may be strong for some people. For me, I like it. It just smells very herbal, sweet. It just smells great. I like it. I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna repeat this whole process throughout the rest of my hair. My hair is all clean. Feeling better. Still got a headache though, but other than that, it's all good. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry overnight. I don't know, I may or may not take this down tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, I got my twist in, got some moisture in, so I think we're good to go. Alright y'all, these are the results. My hair feels soft and it's light. Yeah, my hair feels light, it's moisturized, it has volume. I think it looks good. I did, and one of the twists, the end was so bad I had to trim that off, like over here, so it's a little frizzy on this side. But like I mentioned, like I didn't expect to get a lot of definition considering the size of the twist, and I really wasn't trying to go for a defined look anyway. I just really wanted to reset my hair. But yeah, have you tried any of the products that I used during my wash day? If so, how did you like it? I definitely think y'all should try the Butta Shampoo. It works really, really great on your hair. I feel like it's a must in your wash day. And I really like the Sprung Coil Boosting Jelly. Like, that's one of my favorite styling products from them. And yeah, I mean, I would recommend a lot more, but I definitely recommend that y'all at least try one of their deep conditioners and one of their Butta Shampoos. Alright y'all, that's all I want to share with you all in this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.